does look very inviting. There's a lot of people here. There's a tourist. I'm not going to put mine in because we're going in a minute. I'll wait till we come back. Watch out, there's a shark. Oops. Yeah, in you go. Jane looks very unstable there. They're looking for fish.
Let's just start up a vlog right now. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have come to, what's this beach called? Where are we? Hayling Island. We're in Hayling Island today. Got a rare day off work, which is wonderful. And so our sisters in Mama Chick have come to the beach. And I wasn't going to vlog it because I'm feeling so ugly and gross from work and stress and period and got spots and bags under my eyes, and Mum started doing little videos for our vlogs, so why not? So I apologise because the quality of this might be a bit shit to start with because it's on my phone because I didn't bring my actual vlogging camera. What's going on here? Hey, what?
Yeah, she wanted to dry her feet on my dress.
You thought I got Didn't you bring a towel?
It's in the car.
I didn't bring a towel.
We all have to share the same one.
Well, we stopped off at this beach for about 5 minutes, but now we have a lunch reservation. Oh, hang on, I can't hack these stones without my shoes. Oh no, now my feet are all sandy. I hate that feeling. Say hi to my channel. Oh, no, don't shy away.
I'm not ready to return to the vlog yet.
Oh, Emma's not been well, so she hasn't vlogged much recently, but you'll be back soon. No?
Soon, but not now.
Peering over the brolly. Mum's marching us off to lunch now.
Left their strawberries under there, but they probably go warm.
They're already scabby.
Ew.
They're already scabby.
Oh, they stink.
Yeah, they do stink. Jesus.
Oh, it stinks of Bonnie's bad breath.
Oh my God. Get the strawberries out. Where are they?
Oh my God, it's hot in
Hurry
here.
up, please. I'm fucking boiling.
Emma can't get in with that smell.
It's gone.
It's gone,
gone.
the smell's gone. Let's get going.
Here you go.
Oh, fucking hell. Well, if I vomit, we'll see.
I might too, so I'll join you.
Yeah, we're going to die of heat stroke back
What's
here.
my seatbelt, please?
Oh, will you all shut up? Get out and walk then.
Swim. You can swim up there.
Oh God. Off to the restaurant.
Jen, are you sure you haven't got conjunctivitis?
Yes, why would you think I've got conjunctivitis?
Have you not heard about her hay fever? Christ, that's all I've heard about the last few days.
I've got hay fever, guys. My eyes are just itchy from the pollen. Hay fever and bad skin. So where have we come to? What is
the
this
ferry
place?
boat in
The ferry boat inn.
Hayling Island.
Okay, and you don't have to pay for parking. That's really nice.
Yeah, I pre-booked though because sunny day and all.
Yeah,
Oh, I'm so hungry.
me too.
It's fussy, I can't sit in the sun.
That's why I let you guys sit first.
Nice. Oh.
This is good. I like that we're out by the outdoors.
Yeah, this is lovely. Did have switcheroo because she's cold. Princess
I
Sarah.
want the earth burger.
Earth
Decided.
burger. Oh, I want some chunky chips.
And I hope it comes with chunky chips because I need chips ASAP, bruh.
I don't think we'll be able to capture it.
I'm sure you will.
I think if I say anything on here, she might hear me. We've got this woman sat behind us who is getting annoyed at the birds and keeps clapping at them. Say hello, Mama.
Jane, you know she's not doing because the bird will come.
I'm gonna put some of my chips down.
No, don't! You'll piss him right off.
You'll get in trouble for that. I'll put my chips down on the floor and then she'll clap them away. The birds will come and then she'll get annoyed.
Well, they might crap on her head. Oh, I wonder when our food's coming.
An hour wait for food. What on earth are they going out and picking the potatoes or something? Oh, look at it. Hello. Oh, she's gorgeous.
Her cool vest on.
Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah, it is. That's great. Minnie could do one of them. Yeah. I just realised that I didn't film my food when it came out. Now it looks like a mess. I forgot, but Mum's got fish and chips, or she did have, bring it in. Sarah had an avocado mozzarella tomato sandwich, and Emma had a burger, but it's pretty much gone. I got this sandwich as well, but I didn't realise it was with proper bread. Well, this kind of bread.
So I'm going to save it for the birds.
Because I can't eat my bread. I'm taking it for the birds. And the fish. Oh, and the fish. Oh.
And these chips.
And we're going to save these chips also for the birds.
Yeah. Oh my god, yes. The seagulls will love that. I'll carry it out, I don't mind. I've already caused a scene with the avocado.
Imagine if it does. It doesn't fit. Has anyone got a spare napkin? Oh, oh my god, it's all each. This is an absolute unit now. Jesus.
Mum, you've left some on your plate, look.
I can't. It's just, no, let's stuff it all in.
No, come on, there's got to be some boundaries, please. There we go, big parcel there.
Happy birthday.
Some of that.
Are we saving these chips and things for the beach we're going to then?
We can do, as long as we don't want to.
Or do I want to do it here?
Have a little walk over there. Yeah, just walk down there where those. Oh, look, not far. Roughly where that red post is. You should walk down there.
So it's like rock climbing. Wait, where am I putting them on that?
Where that red sign is, roughly. On the walls along there.
Yeah, somewhere just under there, look. Because then it's not too close to people. Okay, so Jana's just putting the food out for the birds. She's got battered cod, chips, and leftover bread that she didn't eat. You better move quickly, Jane. They're swooping in. She's going to get pooped on. In fact, we're all going to get pooped on, yeah. Oh, Jane, you're going to cause a chaos. Meanwhile, what's Mum doing? She's over there. Oh, here they come. Mum, they're coming.
I'm not brave enough, Jay. I thought he was going to
Don't be a wuss.
I thought he was going to poop on my head.
Oh, quick, run.
No,
Run.
we're not doing anything wrong.
Are we?
We're
Don't
just
know.
feeding the birds. It's just the birds. Whoa.
Oh, here.
Yes, he's a brave one. He's a brave one.
Hey, here we go. Once one starts, they'll all come.
Hey.
I swear to God, if I get pooed on, Jane. I'm so hoping you get pooed on. Not to be like a bitch, but... Who are we betting on? Is it going to poo on Jane, or is it going to poo on Sarah, or these random people that look a bit unhappy about this?
God, we've got a huge bit now.
Whoa, whoa, we've got the whole piece of fish.
They just slow it off.
I feel like I'm David Attenborough. I've been hired as Jane's videographer. I'm going to get a crap on. Yep.
Yeah, I think we should get more.
This is where we've come to now, Hayling Seafront. And we are, oh, we're here. Yeah, you are here. It's quite good. We've got toilets and stuff. You do have to pay for parking, but yeah, it's not too expensive. And it's not really busy at all. See ya? Give us a wave. So nice to feel warm.
It's lovely, but you going in the sea?
Yeah, a little bit. Some people are fully in the sea. It can't be that bad. Relaxing.
Sky. Oh, there is actually one.
Is there?
Yeah,
Wait, let me
there.
film the sky. Oh yeah, lovely. Not a single cloud.
I'm just filing my nails with a stone.
It's very resourceful of you.
I don't have a nail file on me.
Sarah is the most eco-conscious person ever.
No, but that's not even why I'm doing it here. It's because I don't have a file with me. Oh look, there's a good bit of stone here. There you go. Perfect.
Be careful, Emma, because there's already been an accident.
Mum says be careful at everything.
Thank you.
Everything is a hazard to Mum.
I've got my bikini on.
Good.
I'm gonna commit, I think. But I want your towel at the end.
You're going to fully commit. Why didn't you bring your own towel?
Sarah says I'm not allowed a towel, Mum. We have to share. It's a big towel.
I don't have a towel at all.
This actually is my towel.
Is it? No, that's mine. I bought that for South of
No, you
France.
didn't. I bought one and I got a blue one.
No, that's from Primark and I bought those.
I bought them first, that's why you copied me.
Hey, you've got a towel too. I don't have a towel.
Sit on this.
Okay, thanks.
Let me put it next to this one.
And we can use my bag to wedge them down. Look, I'm sorry, those people over there have a dinghy. And what did I say? We should get a dinghy.
Go and buy a boat then.
That looks fun. That could have been us, guys.
Fish, don't tell me that. I was about to go in there.
What's in there?
Mackerel.
Really?
I've had some catches at least for breakfast. Okay, but
Ew.
there's no sharks in there, right? Well, there shouldn't be.
It's a bit cold for them though, I think.
No, there's no one here that can see. No one's in my room. cheeks. I've seen your nun and your butt cheeks.
I'm not looking.
Brilliant. Look, there we go. Bob's your uncle.
It's now a new
So you go in with that.
Bob actually was our uncle. He was a film fan.
Do you want a bikini top? I've got a bikini top. What's that? No, I've got one.
Oh, don't worry, she'll whip her boobs out now.
Oh, you're going in. It's a bit cold, isn't it?
Is it?
See how it is first. All right.
Sarah just stripped off on the beachfront.
Oh, I look so pale.
to put her bikini pants on.
Right, no filming of my bum cheeks, especially next to her bum cheeks. No, not my bum cheeks. You've got nice bum cheeks.
Yeah, you've got nice
Don't
bum
lose your
cheeks.
hat.
Look at those birds waiting for food.
Hello, mate.
Oh, we already gave all our food away. I'm sorry. Smile, biddies.
Megan.
Oops, Megan. No one who watches this will know the Megan joke, but
Right, Meg?
no, probably not. I don't know.
What's the Megan joke? How do you explain it though?
It was just when Meghan Markle was pregnant and all she did was cradle her bump, so we just say Megan every time we see a baby bump
There
now.
you go, now they know. Right, I'm going to try.
Go on then.
Can't get down there.
Yes, you can, mamas.
It really, really hurts.
Do you want to wear these until you get there?
Yeah, okay. Mine are there. I just took them off.
These are just Primark flip-flops. Here goes Mama Chick. She's getting in with her bucket hat.
Oh, that's too cold there. It's freezing.
Is it?
Yeah.
Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay.
This is going to get soaked.
Oh, shit, yeah. I'll tuck it up into my knickers.
You've got goosebumps, Em. Yeah, it's just
Go on, just,
I don't think she should. She could shock herself.
just dunk yourself under.
I'd be careful.
Go on.
Why? Why be careful?
Don't know.
Shock yourself.
One loose screw and boom.
Not because of that. I don't think she should. It could shock her sister. She cares more about the baby than me now. I just think, I don't know. I mean,
I think it's fine. Oh, something touched my leg.
Give yourself a chance
Oh
to
my
adapt.
god, it's very, very chilly.
This might actually do like Madame some good. The salt water.
Yeah,
UC life.
you see life, get that salt on your butt
It
crack.
does feel warmer as you sort of stand in it.
Healing vibes.
I'm getting used to this bit now, so I might go a bit more.
Yeah. Where's your dress from, Mum?
Oh, it's sea salt.
Sea salt.
Everything's from sea salt because it covers all my fat up.
Oh, great.
They're like sacks. No, they're nice dresses.
First tank in the sea. Maybe first swim.
Well, it's swimming around in all that fluid.
Yeah. Well, yeah, true. Turn it into a place
Where are you going?
I don't know, because I can't go much further.
Should we come out a bit?
Yeah, come towards me a bit, please, Pete.
Tuck up your bum.
Oh no, she's going to get wet.
Yeah, sorry, my butt is wet. Look at the fish. Wow.
I wonder what they are.
I wonder if they will touch me.
Oh, God,
move away from you, won't
you?
No, that's a shame. Oh, they're so cute. There's loads of them.
Don't
Guys,
go any
there's
deeper
so
in case
many
it's a
fish.
shark.
Oh, God.
Here.
You know you've got to punch her straight in the face.
No.
That's my pants are wet. Did yours get wet?
No, they're too fast. I have a situation that I'm not sure is suitable for going on the vlog. Be honest with the vlog. We've got a very heavy period today.
You would attract the shark actually.
Yes.
She would attract the shark ever.
Thanks, Mum. So I'm not going in fully, or I was trying not to go in fully, but my pants have got soaked anyway, so. Fuck it. Maybe I should just go in.
Oh no, not in that dress. What would you change into?
I've got a spare dress with me. I brought a spare dress in case of any.
Why don't you just go in your brown pants?
But I'm already in my spare pants.
I've got 2 pairs of spare pants.
Have you?
I don't even need them.
Because this is my spare pair of pants. Basically, I had to change my pants in the restaurant. Lovely. And yeah, I've got a spare dress with me, but.
Dave,
What?
she just went, like, God, pants.
Yes!
But she didn't even mean to, like, say it. I'm so worried.
I'm worried.
I was going to say spare pants, but they're not spare.
No, use pants.
Are you going fully in? Don't worry, I'll come and take your picture because my pants are already wet now. Great. Don't trip. What am I going to trip on?
What's the time? Because we don't make it up.
I don't know. Mum is stressing about 100 things. Mum loves the stress.
Well, someone has to do the thinking.
I just got a warm pad. Have you had another
What?
one?
She didn't want to lose her sunglasses.
No, she said, oh, I don't want to lose my Tom Fords. Well, no.
They're a bit spenny, those. Oh my god, they're actively swimming away from me.
Oh, it's so cold.
You guys are actively swimming away from me.
You've got pants on and then you said you're in a heavy flow. I don't think that.
I can't help
Hey,
it.
wait.
God, it's not going to be that bad that it's going to come all the way over there.
She's getting in her pants. Oh my gosh. She's going in.
I'm already in. They're already soaked. That's really mean. Oh my gosh, she's really swimming away. Look at that man creeping under his towel. He's lifting the towel up so you can have a look.
You've got erect nipples.
I know.
Let's just shout it out for the whole beach to have a look.
Yeah, she stood up to me a minute ago. She went, "Do my nipples look bad?" I was like, "No, but they look erect."
Oh dear, she's going to poke someone's eye out with those nips. Sarah just asked Emma if she'd weed. And then Mum asked Emma if she'd done her number 2.
You're talking to me as if I'm 2 years old.
Yeah, but that's what you do, isn't it, Emma?
Poops in the sea.
Admit it. Say no without smiling.
No.
I think this is maybe a bit too much poo, period and weed chat for my vlog.
Welcome to my channel.
Yeah. Head over to Emma's channel for that.
Tell me if you're vlog.
Yeah.
I should be going on OnlyFans.
Do you know that's how the Kardashians got famous?
Is it?
Yeah, Kim, she had a sex tape and then they all got
Well,
famous.
come on then, take one for the team.
Well, not me, she's the one with her nips out.
Hey,
And hey, we call you Kimmy K. Well, I do.
halfway there.
Yeah, you're our Kimmy K. Take one for the team. Got Mama up there reading her. Is she reading a book? What is she doing? Oh yeah, there's a real full view there. She's wearing pants. I think we'd be funnier than the Kardashians, you know.
See how long it takes Jane to get in. She'll just dive straight in. I told you, look, Jane's wading in.
Do 1, 2, 3, go. Oh god. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh.
Welcome to the Great British Sea.
It's actually quite clear.
It's quite warm. I keep getting warm currents, but it's warm once you're in. But then, like, when anything that's out is cold.
Yeah, I feel cold.
Yeah, you look cold.
So we've just been swimming in the sea. Now we're going to go and get an ice cream, but we've moved. But we're saying we've kind of had enough of. We had this man next to us. He literally turned to face us and has just been watching us all the whole time. And I don't know, like the beach is pretty empty. So when it's just you in your bikini, oh yeah, how cute. It's a bit intimidating.
So we're back at the car and the girls are all getting changed. Complete with lots of
Well, why not? I'm going to go in the washing machine.
tourists around. And one pair of pants is airing on top of the car.
No dignity.
Don't drive off and leave that on your roof.
Oh,
Someone-
my pants. Dry this way, though. It's hot up here.
Imagine if we forgot to take them off and we drove home like that.
See, it was a good idea.
Put mine on there.
Some old boy would be trying to get this brass young.
Jane, I'll put mine on there.
Come on then.
It'll be a total eclipse.
Cover the whole car, that will.
They're going to dry well like that though.
No, I'll move them before we go.
We're going for ice cream, though.
Yeah, someone might nab them.
Oh yeah, someone's really going to steal my big granny pants.
They wouldn't want your ones.
We're going for ice cream. We're going for an ice cream now. So Mum said take your pants off or someone will come and grab them. And I said if anyone's getting my pants, then they're going to pay for them.
Oh my god.
People sell their pants. I'm not giving mine away for free. Not that I do sell mine, but just to clarify.
God, yeah, new business advertisement.
I don't sell my pants.
Had talk of OnlyFans with Sarah's nipples, and now we've got selling pants.
Yeah, but someone's not walking away with them for free if they are. It doesn't really look hopeful for an ice cream here. So that's the car park we were in. The beach obviously is there. And we thought we'd come and get an ice cream, but I mean, as far as ice cream goes, I'm just seeing tumbleweed. Maybe if that place were open, but it's clearly not. There's nothing. Sad. Not even an ice cream van. Okay, well that was really unsuccessful. No ice cream. You can tell Mum's been in this car. Why? Well, there isn't wrappers everywhere. We're on the hunt for ice cream. We think we found an ice cream place. I can't open my eyes because it's so sunny. We're going to go there.
You said it's closed.
I don't know if it is, it might be open. Should we walk round in a big circle and see?
I suggest that we buy an ice cream van and come down here and make some business. Looks a bit like nothing really here.
Hi.
Oh, do you do Mr. Whippy?
No, we don't.
Do you know where Mike do?
And that was a fail.
I'm sorry, but how can we be right by the sea and there's nowhere that does ice cream? I think I'm going to get an ice cream van and come down here and sell ice creams. I've had enough of being a midwife anyway, I don't want to do that anymore, so why not come and live by the sea and sell ice creams all day? Get some tan, eat some ice cream myself. Minnie loves ice cream, all the dogs love ice cream. There is an ice cream place in there, but it's closed. We have given up in our quest to find ice cream here, and we're just going to go to a McDonald's drive-through. Although I don't know if they have a McDonald's near here. But we're going to head off home now anyway, so either way, on the way home we'll find a McDonald's and get some ice cream that way, because there just doesn't seem to be anything here for ice cream.
Goodbye, Hailing Island. Goodbye, the sea.
Oh, my boots are getting a whirl round there.
I don't know where I'm going.
We're at our second McDonald's, because the first McDonald's we went to didn't have a drive-through and was, yeah, or parking. It was just a bit weird. And we wanted to park up so that we can all eat our McFlurry rather than one person driving and not being able to eat it. So McDonald's number 2. We're still in search of an ice cream. We still haven't found an ice cream.
We finally found ice
caramel.
creams.
Thank you.
Yay!
Is that got enough? Go on then, Jane. I want to eat my ice cream.